Alright, so here I have some diced banana, chocho, and dasheen. So some of the ground provision I'm going to be adding in my soup pot. So now, there I have my water boiling with some seasoning. I'm going to add some of my ground provision. And I already boiled my chicken foot already. Now in this I have some yam. So you see yam, good old yellow yam, white yam, all diced up. I'm going to be now making my spinners and dumplings for my soup. You know, say soup can't go without little spinners. So right there you have it, guys. You see everything well mixed up.
I'm gonna mix it up the proper way.
So guys, I decided to make some Jamaican soup. You know me, and the Jamaica within on a Saturday times, you know, say we have to get the soup sorted, right? So yeah, I have a little soup. I have some chicken foot, dumplings, sweet potato, banana, pimento seed. Look at my pepper. Look at that. Big old pepper there, Escallion, banana, cocoa, everything you can think of, dumpling, everything you can think of, sweet potato in this little soup here. So check it out. I'm gonna leave that now, make it cook down because I already ready now. And if it tastes, see if you have enough flavor. Ready that ready for run a boat on a Saturday, yeah. Want the pepper for boil down in it little. I need to taste this. Give me a spoon and let me taste this up. Very nice. Could use another cock soup. Guys, get your great cock soup. Thank you all for watching. That's it for my video. Hope you all enjoy this soup recipe video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you next time.